So today we are going to try to recreate this intro. I will provide the link to this work in the description. Let's start by creating a circle. Shift A to create a circle. Six 64 vertices. Go into edit mode, press A to select everything, G and Z. Let's scale it out. Press E for extrude, press Z, E and Z. Scale it a little bit, yes. Press Shift D, Z, P for separating. Select this, go to edit mode, press A, press S to scale, press E and Z and press S to scale, press Z to move into Z axis and press E and press S. Press E, press E and G, press this, hold Alt and select this, press F to fill, and then press 1 to go into front mode and select this vertices, and then press Shift D and S, press P to separate by selection, and then select this and press A, press E and Z, that's about right. Select this, press F to fill, and press 1. Also select this, first select this and then press F to fill, and then press 1, and then hold Alt and select this, and then press Shift D and S, and then select P for separate by selection, and then go into edit mode by pressing tab, press A, press E and Z, before doing that just fill and then press E and Z, E and press S to scale, that's about right. I think we need to scale this out. Select this object and go into edit mode and press Alt and select this face and then press S to scale and press 1, go into edit mode and then press this, hold this and hold Alt and then press Shift D and S, P to separate by selection, and then select this, and then press A, and then press E, press A, press Alt A to deselect, and then press Tab, go into edit mode again, select these by holding Alt, and then press Shift D and yes, press P to separate by selection, and then select these elements, press K and press E and Z, press E. Since we have a vertices, since we have already a face, we just needed to click E. That's about right. I think we need to have a gap, little bit gap on this. So select everything, press A, press Z to move it to Z axis, and then press this, select, press A, press Z. So there is like this gap, and then select this, and then press A, press yes, deselect, and then let's just create this part. Before doing that, we should create this piano elements. So before to start, let's just save this document, and then press Shift A and create a cube. Go into edit mode, press GZ, and then scale this out. You should select this on the piano and press backslash to go into solo mode, and then select this, and then tab, press 7 to top view, and press yes. Make sure you are in the edit mode, and then press SY, and then press SX, press GY to move into Y axis, press 1, press GZ, press SZ, press Shift Z for outline mode, press GZ, press top 7 for top view, press SY, press XX, press GY again, now press Shift D and R and 9. I think before doing that, just go into 3D cursor. Now press Shift D, R and 9, press Shift R until you have this. Press Alt A and press Tab. Now press backslash again to go exit the solo mode, and then press Shift Z, and then let's just scale this out. Go into tab mode, press A, press yes to scale this. Press GZ. I think before doing that, press SZ to. I think before that, go into median point and press SZ. Now we are cool, and then press GZ, press S, go into individual origins, press S to scale individually. Now go into median point again, press S, press GZ, I think we can get rid of the below faces. For that I am going to select this, I think we are okay. Press GZ, I think press yes again, deselect with Alt A, and then go in tab to exit the edit mode, and then press this and then scale this, press A and S, deselect to Alt A, I think we are all right. I think we need to scale this even more. Now we create this part. Press Shift A and create a circle. Reduce it to 32, and then go into tab mode, press GG, press RX90, and then scale this out. Press F to fill the face, press E, and then press Ctrl R to loop cut, and then create a cut, press S, enter twice and press S, and then press Ctrl B to bevel. We need to bevel 3 times. Scroll the mouse wheel like this. And deselect with Alt A, and then select this with Control, press with Alt, and then press Shift S2, and then exit the edit mode, and then press create a circle again. This time create 64 vertices. So let's continue this, and then press tab, press RX90, press S, press F to fill the face, press E, now press S to scale, press Alt A to deselect, and then press 3 to go into face mode, and then hold Alt and select these, and then go into select and checker deselect. Now press Alt E, and then press extrude faces along normals. So we get this result. Press deselect, and then we select this, and then press A, press S to scale this down quite a bit, and then select this space and then press P to separate by selection, and then select this and then press A and press S, press E, and then select this space and press I, press E to extrude, and then select this and select this, hold shift and select this, and then hold shift and select this, press command J to control J to join the elements, and then press 7 to go into top mode, and then go into edit mode by clicking tab, and then press A to select everything, and then press GUI, move it like this, and then press 3, and then press GZ and press S, press R to rotate, and rotate it like this, press G and then move it like this, press Shift Z to go into outline mode, and then press R to rotate. I think we are all right. Press Alt A to deselect, and press 7 to go to top view, and then select this, and then go into 3D cursor, and then press Shift D R with a value of 15, or I think press R 30, press Shift D R 25. I think the value of 30 will be cool. Press Shift R couple of times, press Alt A to deselect, and press Shift Z to go out of the outline mode, and then press tab, press Alt A. I think we're done here, and then we're going to create this mic. I think I have provided this mic in the description. We need to append this into this file. Before doing that, let's just complete the bevel, and then first let's go into tab, and then press select this, go into edge mode by pressing 2, and then hold Alt, and then press this, and then press Ctrl B, reduce the bevel with the value of 2, and then press select this, and then select this and hold Alt and Shift and select this, press Ctrl B, press Ctrl B, press C to clamp, press Ctrl B, I think we need a little bit gap here, so select both of this, and then press G, press select everything, press GZ, we need to fill a face, so select this, and then go into outline mode, and then give it a fill by pressing F, and then select the bottom part and press Ctrl B, bevel it, and let's continue beveling this. I think we have mistakenly created this extra part. I think we need to delete this, and then press select this and select this, and press tab to go into tab edit mode, and then press A, press GZ, now we are all right. think we need to increase the scale of this one. Press S, press GZ, go into median point and press S, press GZ. I think we are all right. And then press this and select this top part and then press Ctrl B. Give it a little bit of bevel and then select the bottom part too and press, give it a slight bevel, deselect it and then select this and then press black slash to go into solo mode. I think select the top part and bottom part by pressing Alt and Shift and press Ctrl B to bevel. I think we need to do the same thing. Right click and shade smooth, right click and shade smooth, shade smooth by angle. I think we need to give it weighted normals. I think I am going to separate this, select both of this and then press P to separate by selection and then separate this. I think we are okay. And then select this and press shade smooth by angle. Try giving it weighted normal. Shade smooth by normal and then press this, select this part and press Ctrl B. So give it a little bit of bevel. I think we can increase the size of this. Press Ctrl plus GZ. Hopefully we are okay. Right click and shade smooth by angle. Right click, shade smooth by angle. And then select this part and shade smooth by angle. Same thing here and there. Save the document. We need to create this speaker thing. This is the front side and this is the back side. I am going to keep it in the side and continue working on this stuff. I just save this document and then turn this off and then turn off the mouse too and then create a new, right click and create a new collection and call this mesh 2 and then let's press Shift C to bring the 3D cursor to the center. So let's press Shift A, press create a circle, keep it as 64 vertices, and go to edit mode, select everything, press RX90 and bring it up using ZZ. Let's move this back using ZY, something like that. Go to front view by pressing on. Let's reduce the size of it. Press GZ, select A, press C to extrude, press Y, press F to fill, select this vertices using hold down Alt and select this set of vertices, press F, Alt A to deselect. Let's press 3 and then select these vertices, select this face, press I to insert, press E, hold shift, press I to insert, holding shift, press E, hold shift, press Alt A to deselect, and then go to this side, select this face, press I, something like this, press GY, let's open our reference. So as you can see, they're sort of created a shape of a speaker. So that's what we are trying to do. So same as you can see here on this side. So we need to create another shape and then another shape. So it contains 3 different shapes, and then finally this nuts. So let's go back to Blender. Let's select this face, press SY, maybe select everything, press SY to reduce the size of it a little bit, press Alt A to deselect, and then let's try blowing some of it. Press 2 for edge selection, and then select both of these vertices. Press Ctrl B. Just do this. Create one. Scroll down for one vertex, 1 inch. Press Alt A. Now select and holding Alt. Select this, and then select this one, then select this one, and then select this one. Press Ctrl B. So create something like this. Select Alt A to deselect. Go to edit mode. Select this edge by holding Alt. Press Shift D and press S. Press P to break the selection, and then press Alt A. Press Tab to go back from the edit mode, and then select this, and then press Tab again, press everything. Now we are creating this part. So press E, press yes, something like this. Press A to select everything, press E like this, and then let's create these bubbles. Before doing that, just check whether we are the right path. Let's click this. The normals are flipped, so select this, press tab to go back to edit mode, press A to select everything, press Alt N, recalculate outside, and then deselect it, then go back to face orientation mode again. Let's hold Alt and select Alt and Shift to select these edges. Press Ctrl B and then give one rotation, maybe two bevels, and then select Alt A to deselect it, and then let's click this and then go back to edit mode, and then press 3 for face selection, and then select these faces by holding Alt, press Shift D and Y, press P to break it, select this one, press tab, press A to select everything, press E to go like this, and then select, go to 2 for edit edge selection, hold Alt by clicking this, hold Alt and Shift, hold Alt and Shift, press Shift Z to go to outline mode, hold Alt and Shift to select this, and then press Shift Z, press Ctrl B, go like this, press Alt A, press tab to go back to the object mode, press Alt A again. So we have created this. Now let's create this thing right now, this nuts. So let's select this, press tab to go back to edit mode, select and hold this to select this edge, press Shift S, select cursor to selected, so the cursor will be in this side, press Alt A, press tab to go back to side mode, press 1 to front view, and then let's create a cylinder by clicking Shift A, and then a cylinder, create a cylinder, give 16 vertices, press, and then go back to tab, press tab to go to edit mode, press RX90, and then let's scale this, press Shift Z to edit mode, outline mode, press Z and Z, and then let's scale this, press Z again, press Alt A, press Shift Z, and there is this face we are not going to see it, so let's press X on faces, and then let's go back to outline mode, and then select this face, press I, and then let's press E, press Alt A, press Ctrl B, let's leave it on 1, press Alt A, let's press this one, press 1, let's go to 3D. Let's fix our pivot point to 3D cursor, and then go to tab to edit mode. Press A to select this, and then press Shift D and R and press 45, and then let's repeat it by using Shift R. Press Alt A to deselect, and then go press tab to outline mode, object mode, and then let's select this one. Press Ctrl 1 to back view, press tab, press Shift Z to outline mode, select and drag like this. Something like this. Press P and break the selection. Press Shift Z. So these are separated now, so that we can animate this way. So of course you see here we got this geometry. So let's save this, and then let's see what we can do now. Let's come back to Illustrator. Let's create this audio form pattern. So let's click pen tool, and then let's neglect the fill. Let's have a stroke. Go to a new layer and start simple shape like this, and just hold Alt and move it like this. Press Ctrl D. Let's click randomly, and then hold Alt to bring the height. Hold Alt. So I'm just picking random lines and moving them like this. Then I'm going to select this. I'm going to press A for direct selection tool. Then I'm going to move it like this. Something to make it look little bit random. Maybe something like this could work. I'm going to drag it like this, and then press Ctrl D again and again to repeat it. Then I'm going to rotate this one like this. I select this one, and then I'm going to hold Alt, select this one, hold Alt and move it like this. So I'm going to select this, press Ctrl Z to group it. I'm going to move it like this, hold Alt and bring it like this. Hold Alt to bring it on the side also. I'm going to hold Alt and bring it like this. Let me delete all of this. going to select this. I'm going to select all of this and then bring it here. And then I'm going to select this to bring it on the left side. Maybe I'm going to leave it like this. Hold Alt, let's select this. Let's select this and group it, and then let's duplicate it. I'm going to select this and move it like this by holding Alt, and let's press A to select random points. Press S to scale it like this. I'm going to select this and then bring it like this. Hold or I'll rotate rotate like this. I'm going to hold Alt. Let's color all of these white, and then let's color all of these slightly like an orange color, something like that, and then select some few random point and change it to white and group it, and then select some random point and change it to white. And then select everything, go to object path, outline stroke, and then select them. Let's create a rectangle. Let's fill it with a black color. I'm going to bring it behind it. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to use slight of a gray color, something like a gray color, something like that. I'm going to select this again. I'm going to use sort of a gray color, something like that. Okay, let's select these together and bring it here. I'm going to use collect for export and export as a single asset. Let's start the texturing process. First, go to this viewport setting and then select one by one. Maybe go to shading view and let's select this first one. Let's have our reference here. We have turned down our reference, so it's sort of like a metallic thing. Just click here and then go to material view and press new, and then call this steel 1. Select this and then go to choose some gray color and give this a slight blue tint. and then reduce this reference roughness to 0.2 so that it can be reflective, and then increase the metallic by 0.8, and then open this pectoral and then decrease the iora level by 0.3 so that it can be really reflective, and then click this and then click new and then call this steel 2 and then select this. I think we have left one more. Select this. Let's call this steel 2 and then let's just follow the same process but little bit brighter, and then give the metallic value of 0.6, maybe the reference to 0.1, and then try to brighten it a little bit so that it can be better than this one, and then select this one. We have already set this, and then open. Let's change it to steel 3 so that we can understand. Select this one and then increase the metallic value all the way, and then reduce the reference to around 0.3. I think this works, and then select this one. For this one I have to do it a little bit differently. Press tab and then select this edge by holding alt, and then hold alt and shift to select this edge too. Press U and then choose mark scene, and then select everything. Press U and unwrap. After doing that, go to face selection, select this face, select plus and then assign. Call this audio form, and then press Ctrl I to invert it, and then select plus and then assign it. Call this steel 5, something like that, and then select this one and then try to do the same thing. Increase the metallic value and then reduce the roughness, and then press the audio form, increase the metallic and then reduce the roughness and then darken it a little bit. Let's see how it looks. So it's alright. Let's just click again and then darken it a little bit and give a little bit of a tint, maybe something like this, and darken it a little bit more, and then select this one, darken this one too, and then increase the metallic value. Let's just press 1. We are on a good path, and then select this one. For this one, let's go to top view by pressing 7. Press Shift Z, select one thing, and then press Ctrl I to invert it. Press delete, press X and just press delete. Delete faces, press A, press M, press merge by distance. So the reason why we deleted is that we have to create this texture, so we have deleted this because so that we don't have to change the everything, go inside and change everything. So if we apply one texture, if we duplicate it, it will be easier for us. That's why I deleted that. So let's start texturing process. I just click it, press tab, press Alt A to deselect, and then let's just see what's happening inside this. Okay, let's select everything. Maybe just add a new one, call this a plastic, and then increase the metallic a little bit, reduce the roughness a little bit, and then select everything in the scene. I think it has to have some shyness, so let's just increase the metallic, and then go back to tab to edit mode, and then select this face by holding Alt and press Ctrl plus to select this face, and then press Ctrl plus to increase the selection like this, and then select plus and add new, and then call this dark plastic, something like that. And then let's darken this a little bit. Let's just assign it first so that it can be applied. So reduce the reference a little bit. So, and then select this face, and then add another one, call this orange plastic. Just choose an orange color, and then select assign, and then increase the metallic and reduce the roughness. So that's what we got. And then let's select this, select 7 for the top view, press Shift Z, select everything, deselect, select these. Our 3D cursor is our pivot pointer already set to 3D cursor, so that will be helpful for us. Press Shift D, press R. Before doing that, let's just our 3D cursor is somewhere around here. We have to change it to the center of our document. So for that, let's go back to tab. For object mode, press Alt A, press Shift C to reset the orientation pivot point for the center of the transform, and then let's press this, and then press tab, press everything, press top view for 7. Now press Shift D and R 30. Now press Shift R, deselect, and then press Shift Z. So that's what we got so far. Let's just save the document, and then select this one. Let's have another metal. Let's call this metal, and then increase the metallic, and then this, let's select this one, then add it, and call this plastic shiny, and then give it a little bit of a gray color, and increase the metallic a little bit for all the way, and reduce the metallic a little bit, reduce the roughness a little bit, and then select this one, and then add new, and then black plastic 2, and then give it a dark color, something like this, and then increase the metallic. Alt A for deselecting. Let's save the document. We are almost done, and then let's turn off the reference. Let's go back to this one for the final texturing of this. Let's select this. Let's select this and this, and then add shade smooth by angle to get a smooth result. And then let's just focus on creating this. Let's select this one. If you could see this, this is full of shiny metal. So that's what it is. So then let's click it. Let's select this one and this one. Press Ctrl L, press link materials, and then select this, and then click shade smooth by angle, and then select this one, and select maybe this one. Press Ctrl L. I am holding shift while selecting multiple things, so press Ctrl L now. Select link materials, and then let's select this one, and this one, and select this one. Press Ctrl L, press link materials. So, and then this one. Go to tab to edit mode, select everything, press new, and then press assign, and then call this black plastic 3, and then make it really dark color. Let's increase the metallic and reduce the roughness, something like that, and then go to tab again, and then for this time select go to face mode and select this one. Maybe press Ctrl plus only once, maybe twice, something like that, and then add another one. Then let's add new, call this metal 4, and then let's decrease the brightness a little bit and increase the metallic and roughness, and let's select assign. So hopefully this is what you got to, and then select tab and select this face and call select plus, and then call this new, then back, call this back plastic, and then make it a really black color and increase metallic all the way and select assign, so that there is a variation. Select this and select shade smooth by angle. Maybe we don't want that, Control Z. Now select this one again, select this face, press 1, select plus, and then call this speaker front, select assign, and then call this go to black again. Now let's increase the size and then bring it here. Let's use the speaker image and then just drag and drop into this. Let's go straight into UV editing and then select this face and just increase the size of it by pressing. Maybe before doing that, select everything, press U and then drop, and select this one. Let's try to add a seam here. Maybe select everything, press U and give it smart UV project. Give it smart UV project. Press OK. Now we got this one, and then let's just select this one, and then just scale it, and press G to fix it somewhere around this, and then let's go back to viewport setting, and then let's see what we got. So this is what we got, and then let's darken this a little bit so that it's not as much as visible. Increase the metallic all the way, and then reduce the roughness so that it can be a little bit shiny, and then let's press Shift A and color, use brightness and contrast, and drop between this, and let's just reduce the brightness a little bit, hold Shift and increase the contrast. So hopefully it is not that abrupt, and then select the use face action and select this person, and then go to UV editing again, select this one, use this image again, and then select drag select like this, go to material mode and select this one and assign, so that it can be applied on back side also. So let's just go back to tab again. Let's just select this, hold Alt and select this portion and press scale just like this. So this is what we got. Now select this and then go to shading again, then let's bring this one and then give it a bump height, and then add it to the normal. And then reduce the strength by 0.1. You're seeing the result, right? So that's what we got. And then Let's reduce this brightness a little bit. Let's save this document and let's go back to layout mode. And this is what we got so far. So, and finally let's click this one and then press tab, and let's go to shading view and then press tab again. Select this audio form thing and select this and press G to bring it here, and then let's find that image which we saved and drag and drop inside our blender like this, and then bring it to add into the base color, and then go straight into UV editing. Select this, let's open that image, let's set everything, press U and smart UV project, press OK. It is here like this. Maybe let's not do that. Press everything, press A, press U and unwrap. Now this is what we got, and let's select this one. Let's select A to select everything here. Press N. I'm just gonna use this UV squares. This is a free add-on, so I'm going to use this one now. Select this UV squares and use this option called to grid by shape and click this. It will change this into this shape, and yes, and press A to select everything. Press yes, and this is how to bring this like this. Bring it here. Press yes to scale everything, just like this, and then let's see what we got. So this is what we got. So press yes to scale, press Ctrl S to save the document, press Alt A. So we successfully completed our texturing and modeling process. Let's try exporting our model after renaming into Element 3D. Let's continue on the next part.